G'day, Stu from UAVfutures here, and let me ask you this simple question. Have you ever wanted to sell your FPV gear secondhand, or are you in the marketplace, you want to get into FPV, you can't afford to buy new, and you think, you know what, if only there was some place where I could go and have a look at some good FPV deals, some secondhand stuff? Well, I'm telling you guys are in luck, because today, it's been a long time coming, and there's been a lot of pros, we've discussed a big discussion behind the scenes about it, but today, we are announcing over on the Discord, we are kind of opening this up, and it is the used gear part for sale channel, so for sale used gear and also some buying gear. If we have a look at here, this is the Discord right here, this part, for sale used gear and also the buying gear. What you need to do in here, this is the place where you can go, you simply make a simple ad, people can peruse, you can help other people get into the hobby, make some extra cash, and also people can snag up some deals as well. Like if you're one of those people, maybe you've moved over to digital, you've got a second pair of analog goggles sitting around, you don't know what to do with them, well, this will be a great place to sell them because we have over 11,000 FPV pilots. That is a very, very high concentration on our Discord server, so 11,000 pilots in this server. All the links are in the description down below as well, but let's take a quick look so I can show you guys what it's like. Very, very simple stuff. You simply make an ad. There's a bunch of rules, all that sort of stuff right here, but you can see right here, item description, use sky zones, O2Xs, red color, blah, 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 blah. This is my example ad. My price is $180 negotiable plus US shipping. And here's a picture. If you've got multiple pictures, please put them in a little image you are gallery or something like that, so it doesn't fill up with heaps of pictures in a row. Then you can put the picture there, leave it there, and if someone wants to buy it, if it's a good price or something like that, they will simply send you a PM. And then look, Bob's your uncle. You've made some cash, and also that other person is going to get flying. It looked like Donnie had something there as well. And also the same goes, maybe, actually, I should show this part. If you want to buy something, you can also put in a request. So this one right here, this is a buy used FPV gear. And here's an example, want to buy a radio. Currently using the Beta FPV Radio 2. Looking for something I can add crossfire to. Hall effect gimbals are preferred. Having larger hands. Maybe there's a joke in there. And would prefer something I can pinch. No gamepad style remotes, thanks. He wants to pay, in my example that I did, $65. Man, you can't even read this. Let me see if I can type something in here. 111111111. Here you go. That's a bit better. You can see it here. No gamepad style remotes, thanks. Currently paying $65, and the country in Australia as well, because whoever reads this, maybe you think, man, is there anyone actually buying some stuff? You don't want to make a complete listing of all the stuff you want to sell. You have a peruse and you think, man, actually this person is buying a radio. I've got a spare one. Bob's your uncle. There you go. You can go and sell it. I'm going to go through some online tips very quickly as well. If we jump over here, here is, and there'll be a link to this in the description. If you are buying and selling online, please follow these tips. Look, if you're going to, and there's the links to the two channels right there. Please have a clear and detailed description about the things you're going to be selling. No one likes surprises, so give a detailed description of your item, include some photos, use PayPal. I can't stress this enough. It's got a dispute handling procedure, so it can help if something goes wrong. And also, I've got a little example here. Make sure if you are buying it, you click on paying for a good and service. That one is going to offer you a bit of buyer protection. There's some other links you can just simply search up. PayPal, buyer protection. Give them tracking if they need to. If you're going to meet in person and you're one of those OG, old school kind of people, go somewhere safe, please. Look, I've said, do not meet some random stranger at 3 a.m. behind an abandoned warehouse with $3,000 worth of drone gear. Don't do that. Meet in a populated public place. At the front of the cop shop, it's a great place. Too good to be true. Well, then it probably is. Take some photos. That includes the things that you're selling, them shipped in the box. As much information as you can, as well as some screenshots of the messages, if you are the buyer. Be careful with sharing your personal information online. So when they ask for your social security number, maybe that's something that you shouldn't be giving them, and ask some questions. This is perfectly fine. If you are there and you say, hey, you're selling this drone, and someone says, can you please show me it hovering? If it does hover, you should be able to make a little video or something like that about it. So that is going to help people. Now here, this is the caveat. Moving on to things online and some links. I'm also going to link my Patreon page down below. And the reason is simple because of this. Yeah, this is actually for Patreons or members who want to support this only. And the reason is pretty simple. Not only does it support the channel, but it is also going to stop all the bots coming in, a whole bunch of spam coming in, commercial people coming in, just flooding this thing with a whole bunch of different links. I want this to be a useful place where you people out there who want to sell just in the private sales, want to get together and have somewhere where they can sell it. This is the place to go to. And I can sure some people are going to complain. It's like $2 to get in and support UAV Futures, this Discord. On Patreon, you could simply add $2 on top of this. So, hey, look, my goggles, $180. Man, if you really want those $2, you can make it $182 or something like that on top. And I'm going to link to this part too. So if you do sign up to Patreon, this bit right here, this is the important part. Make sure if you're in the $2 part, it says includes Discord benefits. I'm going to link my Patreon down below. You can simply go there, and then that's going to give you access. It's got a little bot that'll add you through into the Discord. You can go there, start your sales. And some people might be like, Stuart, man, you're going to be, what's going on? You're going to be absolutely crushing it. Well, check this out. If I go over to my page right here, and look, I don't want to throw shade on anyone else. You know what? This is how much I make on Patreon. You know, most people keep this private when you have a look at the other FPV pilots out there. I've got 362 patrons, and I make about $1,000 a month off Patreon on what we do, you know, making videos on the channel. So thank you very much to all those people out there. If you would, hopefully that does help some people. If you would like to support the channel, the link's going to be down below. If you want to jump over, start making some ads, those links are going to be there as well. But yeah, that's it. $2 a month. You can quit after even your first month. There you go, if once you've sold everything. And then having a look at the Discord, jump in, make yourself some advertisements, sell off your secondhand gear, and also you're going to help other people getting flying. And so you never know when there might be a deal around the corner as well. Maybe some people put some crazy prices on there. Maybe some people are going to be selling some stuff for free. I don't know. I just thought this is probably one thing that our community doesn't have, a place where we can all come together, make some stuff about sharing our secondhand drone gear and get more people flying. Anyway, look, that's going to be it from me. All the details are going to be in the description down below, the links to the two channels, my Patreon, also some buying and selling safety online, all that sort of stuff. But other than that, subscribe for more FPV or related content. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you guys tomorrow morning. We've got a live stream in about 14 hours time, so I'll see you guys then, and we've got some other videos coming up as well. Subscribe for more FPV related content, and as always, happy flying.